Hi folks, and welcome to Tux Lux. My name is Mirza and I'm the co-owner and director of Tux Lux. We specialize in project management, interior design and 3D rendering in these three key areas. Number one, we are a registered builder offering a complete turnkey solution covering all trades. Number two, we do high-end joinery for kitchens and bathrooms, manufacturing everything in-house. And number three, we operate a high-end painting team that is Dulux accredited, doing both internal and external painting. So folks, if you're interested, please check out our 5-star Google reviews or follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Alternatively, jump on our website, which is www.tuxlux.net. And I look forward to meeting you very soon. Thank you.